Hey guys, Real 111T. So coming to you from the sink at my house. So one of the reasons why I really like the Duossal is so I made some rice for dinner tonight for the family, and as you see here, some of it got kind of stuck on. And basically, when I go to clean this off, I'm going to use one of these stainless steel scrubbies, like you see it over here. And I will have absolutely no fear that it's going to damage the surface of this Duossal pan at all. I would do that with aluminum as well, but we'll come back here in a second after I've done cleaning it, and you'll see. Here we have it right here, cleaned up, good as new, really. And this is my oldest pot right here, out of my older kit. So, you know, it cleans up perfectly. You can be really aggressive with it. And I did not burn that rice that bad, guys. It was very edible, but there was just a little bit of it stuck there, as you saw. But you could cook acidic foods in this, no problem. Basically, you don't have to worry about treating your cookware gently with the Duossal. So one of the reasons I really like it a lot, and I recommend it to anyone. This is not a 2.0 pot. This is an actual Duossal 1.0, and although there was no 1.0, there's just the 2.0. But as you see, it cleans up literally good as new. And thanks for watching.